We're committed to delivering quality products on time at a competitive price. That's our goal, and we strive for that. We have the capability of flexing our schedule to meet whatever the customer needs. It sets us apart, I think, from some of the other houses. Most of our heat treat is turned around in a week's time, and that's the way we usually quote it. But we have certain customers that have requirements and need it sooner or longer, and we're flexible, we can meet any schedule. Typical aluminum heat treat, the parts will be loaded in a basket. They are loaded up into the furnace. They have a dwell time at temperature. And then once that happens, we will roll the quench tank underneath the furnace. The door opens and we drop into the quench tank. And typically we have a 7-second delay time we have to meet. Some things are a little bit longer, but typically it's within 7 seconds you have to be quenched. And then it sits for 5 minutes dwell in the quench tank, and then it's rolled out from underneath the furnace, and then we rinse the parts, unload them and do work to them if required, or they go right into the aging oven then. And we do have some customers, we do the solution, send it to them, and then they have their own aging ovens and do the aging themselves, but they don't have the drop bottom furnace to do the solution. We do vacuum annealing. We have one vacuum furnace. On the vacuum side, we work with a lot of the Inconels, Hastelloys, some 17.4 different materials. So a lot of your high temperature alloys, nickel alloys, we work with all those. We actually work with some customers, Pittsburgh, Buffalo, New York, Lexington, Kentucky, Louisville, Kentucky, Cleveland, all over. Jones Metal is ISO certified, ITAR certified, AS9100 certified, and then we are also NADCAP certified in our heat treat, both aluminum and vacuum. And we have a quality lab set right up in heat treat where we do all of our own hardness testing and conductivity testing to make sure the properties are met, that customer requirements and NADCAP requirements. Then once that meets, we certify the parts and they ship out. So we've been running since 1990 on the aluminum side. We've been NADCAP approved for, I believe it's about 12 years. And we just put our vacuum in just over 3 years ago. So we've been running vacuum work for 3 years now. And we're NADCAP approved in vacuum also. When they have a schedule that they have to meet, they have aircraft on the ground or something like that, they need those parts on time, and we pride ourselves on doing that. We've gotten a lot of business because they were not getting their parts on time from other vendors. For the last 7 to 8 years, we've been 97 to 98% on time to the customer on all of our products, and we've been over 99% in heat treat. We pride ourselves on delivering on time.